Hey there, natural remedy enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the incredible health benefits of Goldenseal, also known as Hydrastis canadensis. This perennial herb, native to North America, has been a staple in traditional medicine for a reason. Let's explore why. First up, Goldenseal's antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Thanks to its berberine content, it packs a punch against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It's your go-to for supporting respiratory health and tackling colds, sinus infections, and sore throats. Next, let's talk about immune system support. Goldenseal might just give your immune system the boost it needs to fend off infections. Pair it with echinacea during flu season for an extra kick. Got digestive issues? Goldenseal will help. It's a digestive bitter that stimulates bile secretion, aiding digestion and supporting liver health. Whether it's indigestion, bloating, or gastrointestinal infections, this herb's got you covered. Now onto skin health. With its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, Goldenseal is a natural remedy for acne, eczema, and minor wounds. Apply it topically as a wash or poultice to reduce irritation and prevent infection. For those battling inflammation, Goldenseal's anti-inflammatory effects can be a game changer. It may help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease and soothe mucous membranes in your digestive and respiratory tracts. Urinary tract health is another area where Goldenseal shines. It's often used to prevent and treat urinary tract infections. And let's not forget about blood sugar and cholesterol regulation. Berberine in Goldenseal may help lower blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol, making it potentially beneficial for those with diabetes or heart disease. But remember, Goldenseal is potent. Limit your use to short-term and always consult a healthcare provider before starting, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medications. Goldenseal can be a powerful addition to your natural health practices when used wisely. Have a secret remedy for Goldenseal? Comment here. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and please consider subscribing.